Hi, and welcome back to Allison's Walk. I tried several times to get away and do a little painting. I was hoping that I could share some wildflowers with you, as I've been thinking a lot about spring and trying to get my little garden started. I was feeling pretty discouraged about all of my plans falling through, but a big part of why I haven't been able to get out and do any filming this week is that I've had a pretty fussy little girl who's been taking most of my time. But finally, I managed to slip away to the mountains and paint this little mountain scene. I hope you enjoy this little painting that I was able to do in my car while looking up at the mountains while my little one took a much needed nap. I had lots of ideas about how I was going to go out and hike or paint at this cute little garden spot at the beginning of one of the local hiking trails. But it just has not worked out this week. So I've been thinking about this idea of what we plan to do versus what actually happens. In Proverbs 19:21 it says, "Many plans are in a man's heart, but the counsel of the Lord will stand." And the verse that follows directly after says, "What is desirable in a man is his kindness, and it is better to be a poor man than a liar." When we're thinking about our life, our days, our schedules, our goals, we want guarantees. We want to know, if I do it this way, I will have success. This will work. Nothing will more quickly destroy that illusion than being a mom. For some reason, my little girl has been super fussy lately. She wants things to happen her way, and she doesn't understand why we don't always do exactly what she wants. She's also gotta be tired because she doesn't sleep well, which of course means I, as the mom, don't sleep well either. So anyway, all that just to explain why I'm painting in my car and just hoping she doesn't wake up, because she's been super fussy and I haven't been able to get anything done. But driving in a car tends to make her fall asleep and give me just a little bit of a reprieve. So I'm taking this opportunity to do a little painting for you guys and enjoy the peace and quiet. For today's Faith Friday, I want to think about a few aspects of our Christian walk and how they can be tied together. When I'm thinking about our Christian walk, I want to challenge myself and challenge you to walk in love, to walk in light, and to walk in wisdom. And as I was looking at this idea of walking in wisdom and looking through Proverbs for some verses to share with you, I was struck with how often these three ideas came together. Just like the verse about our many plans in our heart, but the counsel of the Lord will stand, that bit of wisdom is followed by the fact that what is desirable in a person is their kindness, pointing back to this idea of walking in love. In order to walk in wisdom, we also need to walk in love. In Proverbs chapter 4, verse 18, it says, "But the path of the righteous is like the light of dawn that shines brighter and brighter until the full day. The way of the wicked is like darkness. They do not know over what they stumble." This idea of walking in wisdom, when we look at the wisdom of Scripture, it often talks about this light and darkness and contrasting the two. If we will walk in righteousness, we will be walking in light. And how we walk in light and following God is through knowing His wisdom and His guidance to us, studying the Scripture and having it on our hearts so that we can follow it. The book of Proverbs is full of this idea of how you walk. Proverbs 4:26, "Watch the path of your feet, and all your ways will be established. Do not turn to the right or to the left. Turn your foot from evil." When talking about wisdom, it says that her ways are pleasant ways, and all her paths are peace. We are encouraged, "In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your path straight." I love Proverbs chapter 3. It says, "The Lord by wisdom founded the earth. By understanding He established the heavens. By His knowledge the deeps were broken up, and the skies drip with dew. My son, let them not vanish from your sight. Keep sound wisdom and discretion, so they will be life to your soul and adornment to your neck. Then you will walk in your way securely, and your foot will not stumble. When you lie down, you will not be afraid. When you lie down, your sleep will be sweet. Do not be afraid of sudden fear, nor of the onslaught of the wicked when it comes, for the Lord will be your confidence and will keep your foot from being caught." So today, no matter what you are thinking of and planning in your heart to do, I pray that we will all follow God and His leading, that we will be able to walk in the light of His Word, remembering to be kind and patient as we walk in love, and taking the time to think and discern what is right so that we can walk in wisdom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.